Okay, let's go. We got a little big eye on too. Different camera angles, different video. I put the camera angle to the side with the live stream whenever I have both cameras going. But anyway, yeah, so we got little big guy here. And we got, okay, Perth Amboy station. Boom. Boom. So we're rocking the live here. Totally different angle on the live. And we got a little big guy rocking and rolling. Perth Amboy. Let's go, let's go. So we're on the POV channel and BRYAN with the live. I'm live streaming on BRYAN. If this makes it to the POV, it probably will. I'm not using a wide angle lens today. I usually use it, so we're trying without it to see if it actually looks a little smoother. You know, it's smooth anyway. But let me hit the button real quick. Okay, make sure a little big guy's good. All right, so it's June 3rd, almost 6 p.m. 83-ish degrees. Super awesome. It's springtime, but it feels like summer. We're almost in the summer, so we're getting there, which is awesome. Super awesome. Almost there. So we're on Smith Street. We're gonna stroll around Perth Amboy. Let's go. We're shooting an HDR, HLG on both. And for the 4K videos, I think we're pretty dialed in. I think we're doing pretty good with the realism that I've been talking about. Realism is really the goal for the videos. Really it is, because, you know, like a lot of creators, I used to do the cinematic a lot. I'm just trying to be the real video, like you're really here, as much as possible at least. So basically, I think we have it dialed in pretty good in the post-production and everything. So getting pretty smooth, pretty smooth. All right, yeah, we got some music going, a lot of Spanish music when you get out here. A lot of Spanish music going on. It's the common thing here. It's cool, it's cool.
Sugar low
All right, let's go. Nice breeze right now, coming from the waterfront probably. The water is in front of us, the waterfront. All right, let's go, let's go. Some nice Colombian restaurants, a lot of Latin food here. I have done plenty of videos showing some of these Latin restaurants around here, but we could show a little bit. There's a Perth Amboy wireless electronics right there. They got the big grocery, little big, not huge, but they got the grocery store right here. I'm sure they do a ton of business. Alrighty, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Alrighty, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alrighty, Perth Amboy and then his house. They got the big clothing store right here too. Clearance, everything on clearance. Wow, pretty cool. Clearance, clearance.
Sí, lo que pasa es que le pagan el trabajo.
Okay, hey, let's stroll down here this way. Alrighty. A lot of pigeons, wow. Little New York, right? Wow, look at all the pigeons. Little New York. That was cool. Little New York.
Te quiero mucho.
Está bien, cuídense.
All right. Okay, we're right near Fayette Street. This is the State Street shopping district that we just walked through, and I guess up there too. Perth Amboy, good old Perth Amboy in his house. 2026.